Hi everyone, Susie here. Hope all of you all are doing well today. Thanks for tuning in. It's really early in the morning, it's really early. I think it's probably about, well, right now it's about 6, but when I started getting ready, it was probably about like 5:15, 5:30. My husband just, left to go to work, and I'm just getting ready to go to work myself. So I'm doing a really simple makeup look today. I've actually finished my my face makeup and and everything like that. Well, not like blush and stuff, but I've done my foundation and whatnot, and I am ready to finish up my eyes, and I want to try out this new liquid eyeliner I got at Ulta, and I wanted to try it out with you guys and see what you guys thought, and we can kind of see how it wears today, because I haven't tried it before, and I don't think I've ever tried a liquid eyeliner from this brand before. And as I'm looking at myself in my camera, I'm just kind of noticing that, so yesterday I actually used the Ordinary AHA, BHA peeling solution, whatever it was that I got at Ulta. At the same time I got this, and I used it last night, and I just noticed this big difference in my skin. I mean, obviously I'm wearing, tinted moisturizer and whatnot, so it's evened out my skin tone some, but even still, I just feel like there is a glow to my skin that just was not there before, and I'm happy about it. So I'm thrilled about it, honestly. I took a before picture before I did it yesterday, and I want to kind of try it out for a little while, thinking maybe a month or so, and then I'm gonna update you guys and let you guys know if it worked, because if it does work, I think this is gonna be huge for some of you all that have hyperpigmentation or melasma or dark spots or acne scarring like I did, and hopefully this is going to be something that will really help you. So I'm going to try it out, but I am really happy with my skin today. So anyway, just saying. So I actually got this at Ulta yesterday, and I believe it was $6.99 at Ulta, but apparently you can get this for $5.99 at Target. So I don't know. Anyway, pick your poison, I guess, whichever place you want to go. But this is the packaging, and it just says LA Girl Jetsetter Liquid Eyeliner. On this little area it says brush tip. Does have a little picture and instructions here. Apply a thin line in short strokes and work towards outer corner of eye. Sweep tip up and out for a quick cat eye look. Promises to be long wearing, easy to control, and you can create precise thick and thin lines. And this is in the shade black. So there's some kind of little roly ball. I've noticed that the ones that have the little roly ball or whatever it is inside that's shaking the product up, I seem to like those better than the ones that don't. They seem to be more long wearing, have more pigment, more color to them. So anyway, this is the little eyeliner pen. Doesn't say much on it, just black liquid eyeliner. So it's a little brush tip eyeliner pen applicator. And I'm just gonna create kind of a really quick, I'm gonna line it close to my eye, and then I'm just gonna kind of flick it out lily on the ends. That's kind of my go-to for, just a quick look. So let's see how it goes. Okay. It's not a super shiny black. It's more like that matte black, but that doesn't bother me at all. I don't mind. The pigment is really good though. I like it. Just gonna kind of make sure the same thickness. Let's see how it does with the wing. Let's try to scoot in a little closer for you guys. Nice. Nice and precise on the end. Pretty easy to use. I would say this is pretty easy to control. I typically kind of like the pen style more rather than the brush tip, like the felt pen, but the brush tip is actually pretty nice on this. Let me do my other eye. That looks pretty good. It's not like ideal. I mean, I'm a perfectionist, so I could keep going at this forever and ever, but it's good enough. It looks good. I've got, it's even, they match, so it's good enough. But the color is great. Love the color. You're not getting that like gray tone. You're actually getting that nice, you know, black color that you're looking for. I like it. No complaints at all. So far, I really, really like this. I would actually go as far as to say right now, I actually like it as much as my Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Eyeliner. I really like it. And this is like half the price, like not even half the price, a quarter of the price. So yeah, I would definitely purchase this again so far, but I do want to see how it wears throughout the day. So I'm going to wear this for the rest of the day. I'm going to like finish getting ready. I'm going to go into work. I'm going to be at work, you know, 8 hours, whatever. And I will update you guys later on when I'm getting off and I'm going home and let you know how it's wearing. And we'll just kind of see how it goes from there. I figure 8 hours is a pretty good amount of time to test out a liquid eyeliner. Most of us are not going to be wearing liquid eyeliner, you know, all day and night. So yeah, let's see how it wears. Hey everyone, so I am doing an update on this eyeliner, and it's actually 2 days after that original video that I filmed, because I don't know what happened that day. I don't know, but somehow I forgot to do an update. So I wore the eyeliner again today, same, you know, same deal. And yeah, here is the results. So this is what we're looking like. Kind of came off a little bit, like right here. I know this camera on the front view isn't that great, but right there, it looks like it's kind of patchy. And then on the other one, it actually looks a little bit better. So I don't know if I like scratched my eye and like a little bit of it came off. But I mean, the wing is still hanging in there. And I've been wearing this since probably about like 5:30 in the morning. And it is now like almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I've been wearing it for almost 12 hours. So that's quite a long time for some makeup, but you can see my eyeshadow is like just going to crap here. But I've been at work and whatnot. So anyway, yeah, I mean, the eyeliner is pretty good. I feel like it lasted pretty well. I've never had like a patchy area like that. And the day that I filmed the first part of the video, I didn't remember having a patchy area at the end of the day. So I think I did this. I think I was maybe like scratching at my eye or something, because the other one actually looks okay. So I'm gonna give this probably a 4 out of 5. Obviously, you know, if you're messing with it, it's gonna come off a little bit. But you know, I think it did pretty well, and it's lasted pretty well throughout the day. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. I think for the price, it's pretty good. So if you haven't already, check it out. I know they sell LA Girl at Ulta. I believe they have it at CVS as well. I've seen a lot of their products there. I haven't seen it anywhere else, but that is the places that I have seen it. So if you know another place, let me know down below. And let me know if you've tried this product out yet, and if you like it, or do you even like wearing liquid eyeliner, or are you kind of like not a liquid eyeliner person? Let me know in the comment section down below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.